Finding a room for yourself or booking a facility in or around your office is always a challenge. So today, we're going to use Zoho Creator, an AI-powered low-code platform, to build a facility booking application. Here's the prompt that we'll be using. We're building a facility booking app that manages resources reservations through a real-time calendar and role-based access logic. It includes a live dashboard and workflows for check-in approvals and QR-based check-ins to streamline the facilities in the company. Right after we provide the prompt and our requirements to Zia, it designs the right use cases for our app. To manage and view the availability of various facilities, the system implements the necessary logic and workflows to prevent double booking and more. Once the data model is generated, we can also see all the forms of our applications, including facilities check-ins, no-show triggers, and user profiles along with their relevant fields. The app also creates the required user permissions, including facility users, booking approvers, facility managers, and booking coordinators. Blueprints for approvals, no-show handling, and check-in management along with the necessary workflows are generated automatically. And just like that, our app is ready. You can see a clean dashboard with all the details needed for someone looking to book a company's facility. All the forms displayed in the data model have been generated along with the reports for the relevant forms. And if we switch to the edit mode, we can also see that the workflows and the blueprints for the approval processes have been implemented using the single prompt we provided. You'll find the prompt we used in the description below. Just paste it into Zoho Creator to get started, or write your own prompt and build the app your way. And guess what? It doesn't stop here though. You can always build on your own prototype and customize it further. Try Zoho Creator for yourself and tell us what app ideas you want to build using AI in the comments below.